Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Angshu. I'm from Assam and I upload videos about makeup, skincare, hair care and lots of beauty content. If you like this type of content, kindly subscribe and join my brown fam. It will mean the world to me. In this video, I'm going to share my current favorite skincare product that helped me to get my skin to this. Can you see the difference? Now without any further ado, let's get started. Right now on my face I have no foundation on. I have a moisturizer, lip and cheek tint, and also I fill my brows a little bit to look just presentable in front of the camera. If you want glowing and rejuvenated skin, then this video is going to be very helpful for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends and family. If you want to get rid of your dark spot or your dull skin, you should use vitamin C. Vitamin C is super helpful to get rid of your dark spot, and also it rejuvenates your skin and also gives youthful glow. There are so many good things about vitamin C. Vitamin C can be used for all skin type and also all age groups. Like if you are a teenager, you can also use the product, and also vitamin C can add on your AM skincare routine and on your PM skincare routine also. Finding the right consistency is always hard to find, and it is a task. We don't want the heavy chippy moisturizers all the time, but luckily Garnier has launched their vitamin C gel serum, which is lightweight gel formula with the goodness of vitamin C. First, I'm gonna use the vitamin C gel face wash. Look at the texture, it is so good and it smells really refreshing. It didn't strip off the moisture from my face, so I absolutely love this face wash. Next, I'm gonna use my favorite product, and the star of this video is the vitamin C gel serum. The consistency is to die for. It's super lightweight, gel-like, and absorb beautifully onto the skin. You can use this serum gel onto your AM skincare routine and onto your PM skincare routine. Let's check with a tissue paper. Look at this, it completely dry, means it completely absorbs onto the skin. As I tell you, vitamin C helps to get rid of your dullness, dark spot, and gives youthful glow and also rejuvenate the skin. So I highly recommend you to get your hands on this product to add on your skincare routine, as it's super affordable and it gives results also. So I'll leave all the links in the description box below that you can go and check out this product. So go get the goodness of vitamin C with the Garnier Vitamin C Gel Cream and the face wash to start the journey to the glowing skin. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe. Till then, bye bye.